summer salad. It only has 5 ingredients. First, you'll need 7 to 9 medium-sized tomatoes cut into fourths. 1 English cucumber sliced into fourths. You'll need 2 stems of fresh dill. Then you'll need 3 green onions. 2 tablespoons of mayo. Now, you want to slice your tomato into fourths. Now slice the cucumber into fourths. Now chop your fresh dill. Cut the ends off of the green onions and then chop the rest. Now add 2 tablespoons of mayo into the bowl. Now you mix your salad well. The salad is very good for parties. It's also a quick side dish to make. I really like to eat this because it's so creamy and good. That's so good. If you want to find the full recipe, go in the description below. Go over here to subscribe and go down here to see your newest video. Bye!